I told you? Mathematics says one object can become two without adding a single thing. Sounds impossible, right? Because in the real world, that would shatter every law of physics. But in pure mathematics, it actually works. Imagine taking a tiny sphere, splitting it into a few unbelievably complex pieces. Not thousands, not millions, just a handful. Then rearranging those pieces and somehow creating two identical spheres, each the exact same size as the original. No cloning, no extra mass, no magic. This is the Bronowski Paradox, one of the most mind-bending mathematical theories ever discovered. A concept so bizarre, it suggests mathematics can defy reality itself. Thankfully, atoms prevent this from happening in real life. But mathematically, reality completely falls apart. Imagine a hotel with infinite rooms. Every room is occupied. Not one space left. Completely full. Now here's the terrifying part. A new guest arrives. And somehow, the hotel still fits them in. How? The manager simply tells every guest, move one room forward. Room 1 goes to room 2. Room 2 goes to room 3. Room 3 goes to room 4. Suddenly, room 1 is empty. A full hotel with space created from nowhere. But wait, it gets even more insane. What if infinitely many new guests arrive? Every current guest moves to double their room number. 1 to 2. 2 to 4, 3 to 6, leaving every odd-numbered room empty. Infinite new guests accommodated instantly. This is Hilbert's Infinite Hotel, a paradox that shatters your understanding of full. Because with infinity, reality stops making sense. Does something suddenly start appearing everywhere right after you notice it once? You learn a new word and now it's in every video. You think about a bike and suddenly it's on every road. Weird coincidence, right? Actually, no. That's not coincidence. It's called the frequency illusion. Your brain didn't increase its presence, it increased your attention. Once something feels important, your mind starts filtering the world to show it to you again and again and again. So next time you feel like something is suddenly everywhere, remember, it was always there. You just started noticing it. So tell me, did this ever happen to you? Let me ask you something. Why do we sometimes love things that are honestly not even that good? A few days ago, I tried making something on my own. It wasn't perfect. Actually, it was kind of messy. But for some reason, I loved it. Way more than something better that I could have just bought. And it didn't make sense. Because logically, better quality should mean more value, right? But that's not how your brain works. See, when you put your time, your effort, your energy into something, your brain starts attaching meaning to it. It feels personal. It feels like yours. Even if it's flawed, you still value it more. That strange little bias? It's called the IKEA Effect. That's why people love things they build themselves, whether it's furniture, art, or even their own ideas. So next time you wonder why you're so attached to something imperfect, maybe it's not about the thing itself. Maybe it's about the part of you inside it.